What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. I've got a simple unboxing here for you guys today. We've got the Microsoft LifeCam HD 3000. So it's just a really simple webcam. I just needed a webcam. As you all know, coronavirus, the pandemic, we are all from home doing meetings and everything. I do have a MacBook Pro with a webcam, but often I do use the PC as well, and I do not have a webcam for that yet. So let's get a look around the box. As you can see, the actual webcam itself, HD branding, Microsoft. It says 720p HD video chat. Because I was on a budget, I just went for the cheapest option I could find, and this is one of the well-reviewed options, so I got this one. 720p HD video recording chat. So I'm guessing there's also a mic on top. We'll be testing all of that in a bit. So on the back, just some information, and yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so I'm guessing it just pops open and the webcam is at the top. So as you can see right here, it has just a pull tab at the back. Okay, it's a bit of a fiddly box, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna rip it open because I'm not gonna need this. Take the webcam out, box, throw away, and the webcam is here itself. Okay, let's put this to the side, see what's else in the box. We've got quick user manual, I guess, how to use it on your computer. Okay, we've also got more books, probably just explaining terms and conditions, product guide, and all of that. Okay, so let's just put all of that back in the box and take a look at the webcam. So here it is. This is the webcam, and first thing I can notice, this is not your regular clip-on webcam. You can adjust this to whatever monitor you have. So as you can see here, this is like this adjustable rubbery part. I guess you can probably just mold this onto whatever monitor or TV you're using this with, and this will stay there. We've also got a nice USB cable, not braided or anything, nothing special, just a normal USB cable. Let's put this on my desktop, see how it looks. You can see I've put the webcam on my monitor. To be honest, first impressions, it does move a lot. It's not stuck onto the monitor, so little taps or little wiggles onto the monitor. It does move quite a lot, but I guess you won't be touching it a lot. Once again, all you have to do is mold it to how your monitor is. So that's what I did, and it is now facing me. If I wanted to, I could adjust it a bit more just by molding the overall plastic on the back. Let me plug this in and give you a quick test on how this looks. So this is what the webcam looks like and also sounds like. This is with the built-in microphone and of course the lens. What do you guys think? Does it look good and does it sound good? From what I'm seeing in the viewfinder, it does have a bit of a red hue on my face. It may be a bit disorienting depending on where you are and what you're looking at. You really need the correct amount of light. My blinds are about halfway shut and there's still a bit of overexposure behind me on the wall. And yeah, from what I'm seeing in the viewfinder, I guess it's usable for your average Microsoft Teams if you're not doing anything hardcore. But spending a little bit of more money can give you much better quality in sound and camera. I've also noticed when using the webcam that when you launch whatever photo or thing you are using, the light turns blue to indicate that the camera is being used, which is a handy feature and something that I like to have. It just shows some privacy. The only thing I could have added to this though is like a flap or something just to cover up the lens, but I am going to be unplugging this whenever I'm not using this, so that's just something I like to do for security measures. So that's been it guys. This is the Microsoft quick webcam unboxing and review. Honestly, the quality can be much better. Of course you can pay a bit more to get some better sound and quality. The only things I can note at the end is that FPS is quite low. It should be 60 FPS when I'm clearly not seeing that, and also 720p, not the best, and color reproduction does need a bit of work. It does have a slightly red tone to my face, which in reality, trust me, my face is not that red if you have watched my other videos. But just for using Microsoft Teams for your school and for work, just for temporary, this is completely fine. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching this quick review and unboxing. And yeah, Saf Ashraf. Peace.